Barely a day after the government outlawed the use and sale of shisha, a section of traders have filed a petition seeking to have the ban lifted. The traders argue that the directive was given without their input and will greatly affect their businesses and livelihoods.
The ministry did not consider, the stakeholders, because they are stakeholders in this business, in reaching out to that decision. There was no public participation.
However, High Court Judge John Mativo declined to grant the order and instead asked the petitioners to serve the respondents and appear for an inter-party hearing on the 4th of January.
Actually, our clients are at a safer place because the court has certified the matter as urgent.
Earlier on, former Chief Justice Willie Mutunga, through his Twitter handle, expressed doubt on whether or not CS Mailu consulted Attorney General Githu Muigai before outlawing shisha. Drug and substance abuse watchdog NACADA has on its butt lauded the move by the CS, terming the ban as timely given the pace at which shisha smoking is spreading.
As much as it looks like a trendy issue, it's addictive. And once you become addicted to shisha, you'll actually end up somewhere in a hospital. It will affect your health, it will affect the state of your mind, and everything else that goes with it.
Even then, NACADA is calling for a collective approach to the ban on shisha smoking, which the authority says has proven a social threat.
We want this to be a family discussion. We want people to make an informed decision. And even if you're going to have a business, you've got to think about the health of the people who you call your customers.
Okay, so the ban alone is not enough.
We don't think enforcement alone will win, because a social problem doesn't have a silver bullet. So we need to have this discussion and ask ourselves, are there consequences? And what are the consequences of the problem that we are going to deal with?
In declaring the ban on water pipe tobacco smoking, the government cited health risks associated with the practice. But for those looking at the economic losses from the directive, NACADA holds this.
They will hear the testimonies of the people who are today suffering. As they made the money, they destroyed somebody else's life.
Patrick Igunza, Citizen Weekend.